Pronounce the basic stressed vowels as in Spanish or Italian, a, e, I, o, but u as in French tu, not Spanish tu. Consonants are basically like those of English, except that single R is a flap, as in Spanish, and double R is a trill. V should be bilabial, as in Spanish caballo. Other double consonants are purely orthographic and should be pronounced as single, unlike double consonants in Italian. To determine the position of word stress, disregard declensional S in nouns and adjectives. Words ending in a consonant are usually stressed on the last syllable: rudel, gentile, enamorette, vézir, pèlerine. While words ending in a vowel are usually stressed on the next to last or penultimate syllable: blaya, prince, comtessa, Antioca, Malautia, Sostenguda. Special considerations may come into play, however. Some words have final stressed vowels, as in Jaufré and NIC. Verbal morphology involves a final stressed vowel in words like third-person singular auzi, he heard, but an unstressed final syllable in third-person plural vengen, they came. The name of the city Tripoli is stressed on the antepenultimate, or third syllable from the end, like a few other exceptional words. Pere Vidal's poem beginning Hablalen tirvas melaire is in chapter 2.